Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to link majority to Zelle. So before let's start guys, make sure like and subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video helpful and link. So guys, simply first step you need is download Zelle app on your phone, as you can find this on App Store or Google Play Store. Then you get started and enter your phone number when the app asks you. After that, select your choice, your any type of bank, and click go and see your bank. Then have to do guys is click your email address for reservations code on the Zelle app. Now enter your majority debit credit card, and after that click the details, your credit card and name, address, billing address, and your majority account. And this is very important guys. Create good password and complete the registration process. Basically that's all you have to do guys in order to link majority to Zelle. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like, share this video.